You are probably killing yourself in the gym right now. You think getting absolutely massive is the ultimate cheat code to get her attention. You think she wants the giant hulking superhero you see in the action movies. You are completely wrong. Science proves that you are actually destroying your chances. It all comes down to the female gaze. Hollywood has tricked you. Sure, women look at a guy's chest, shoulders, and forearms, but there is a biological limit. Psychology calls it the peak shift effect. A little muscle is a major biological trigger. It screams strength and health. But the moment you cross that invisible line and become extremely muscular, her attraction doesn't just stop, it crashes. It plummets hard. Why? Because of pure survival. Evolutionary data shows that women are hardwired to crave a dominant protector, but there's a terrifying catch. If a man looks too dominant or physically threatening, a woman's attraction drops by a staggering 81%. Her brain instantly registers danger instead of desire. You have to prove you're safe. That's why the guys with the cold, dead poker faces always lose. A genuine wrinkly smirk, what scientists call the Duchenne smile, literally rewires her brain to see you as a safe harbor instead of a threat. But physical looks are just the bait. The real trap is social status. And here's the craziest part. You don't need to be a billionaire to trigger her attraction. You just need to hack her perception. Back in 2008, researchers gave people the exact same cheap wine in two different glasses. They told them one was dirt cheap and the other was highly expensive. Every single person swore the expensive one tasted way better. They tasted the perceived value, not the reality. You do the exact same thing to her with your body language. If you're twitchy, darting your eyes around and moving too fast, you look like a nervous wreck. You instantly broadcast low status. But if you take up space, hold rock-solid eye contact, and slow your movements down to a crawl, you project absolute power. You become the expensive wine. Her brain will subconsciously elevate you to the top of the food chain, completely bypassing your actual bank account. But even if you look perfect and act like a boss, you'll still strike out if you mess up the final test. Trust. Decades ago, men thought women wanted rough, silent, hard-working lumberjacks. Then a guy named Rudolph Valentino came along. He realized women actually craved elegance, proper grooming, and deep emotional intensity. He leaned into it and became the biggest heartthrob on the entire planet. Most guys today still haven't learned this vital lesson. When she comes to you complaining about a bad day, your biological guy instinct is to fix it. You tell her what to do. You offer logical solutions. Stop doing that. You're killing the vibe. She doesn't want a mechanic. She wants an emotional anchor. When she vents, she's testing you. She wants to see if you can handle her reality. Just listen, validate her stress, and ask her to tell you more about what happened. The ultimate formula has nothing to do with being the biggest guy in the crowded room. It's about perfectly balancing raw masculine dominance with absolute unwavering safety. You have to be strong enough to protect her from the world, but gentle enough that she never needs protection from you. If you can't master that balance, you'll always be invisible. The female gaze is always watching. It's up to you whether you're worth looking at.